In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give points in Google Forms. If you're an educator or someone who regularly uses Google Forms for quizzes or assessments, knowing how to assign points can help you track and evaluate responses efficiently. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it, and in this guide, I'll walk you through each step with some helpful tips along the way. First, you'll want to open Google Forms. You can do this by going to forms.google.com and starting a new form or opening an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and set up your questions. For educators, this typically looks like a quiz or test with multiple choice or short answer questions. Once your form is set, make sure it's in quiz mode. You'll do this by navigating to the settings, which you can find by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner of your form. Within settings, you'll see several tabs across the top: General, Presentation, and Quizzes. Click on the Quizzes tab and toggle on Make this a quiz. By toggling this option on, you enable the quiz functionalities, which include the exciting feature of point allocation. Now, with quiz mode enabled, go back to your form and click on one of your questions. You'll notice a small button labeled Answer Key appears at the bottom of each question box. Click on Answer Key, and here you can assign how many points this particular question is worth. For instance, if you're creating a 10-question quiz and each question is worth 10 points, simply enter 10 in the points field. Make sure to repeat this process for every question in your form to ensure that each one is assigned a value. One useful tip here is to think about the total points for your quiz early on. It's a good idea to have an overall score in mind so you can distribute points meaningfully across all questions. A balanced approach can motivate respondents and make your assessment fair. After assigning points, you can also select the correct answer for multiple choice or checkbox questions, or add the correct response for short answer questions. This helps Google Forms automatically grade responses when they are submitted. And if there's more than one acceptable answer, you can enter those here too. With points and answers in place, your form is all set up to assess knowledge in a structured way. Don't forget to check everything over by taking the quiz yourself. This ensures that everything works before sharing it with your students or participants. Doing a trial run can help you spot any errors in point allocation or answer settings ahead of time. So now you've learned how to give points in Google Forms. This is a powerful tool to make your quizzes and assessments more productive and efficient. By clearly understanding these steps, you can now create quizzes that not only test knowledge, but provide real-time feedback and scoring to help improve learning outcomes, keeping you ahead of the curve in digital education.